We finished the paint. It looks kind of shitty, but I don't really care, you know? Like, at the end of the day, the handlebars are crusty and rusty. It's not gonna look perfect. It's a mini bike. It's gonna be for having fun. It's gonna get muddy. It does not matter. So, we're gonna put the front end back together. The front end is back together. It's kind of crazy to think that literally these hold in some fucking springs, and that's all that holds the front wheel in. Like, if those springs fuck up, like, yeah, this has to bust out and you're pushing down on it, but like, if that breaks, you're kind of fucked, dude. Like, I didn't really think about the consequences until just now. But if it breaks, you're literally just going straight. Oh, I can't do it. But like, you would literally go down to here. This would come up, and you would just be. It would not be a good time. But okay, we got the front end together, and yeah, now we just need the stuff for the rear wheel and get everything basically set up to ride. It is gonna be snowing here. It already snowed. So I don't know if we'll be riding it per se in the next few months, but we should have content over the next few weeks at least. Hopefully getting it back up and running. We'll probably do like a little test drive, right? At least in the garage or in the driveway. Even if there's a little snow and ice, who cares, you know? We'll put on the snowsuit and mess around a little bit, whatever. Life's about having fun and not taking things too serious. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one where hopefully we can make some more progress. Peace.